This is our submission for the Hacker Earth Aadhar Hackathon that was conducted today. We have made an app that basically facilitates a cashless payment between the user and the vendors. So what we've basically done is that we've used the idea of an RFID. We've used an idea of the NFC tags. So NFC tags are basically very cheap to buy, and they can be found everywhere. So any vendor can purchase them. So how this app works is that we basically want the user to install this app on their phones, and they'll go to the shop or they'll go to the vendor, and then they'll just tap their phone on the RFID on the NFC tag, and the app will then ask for an authentication. If the user is registered on our portal already, then he'll just do the authentication there, and the transaction will be completed, the authentication is done. Or in the other case, the user has to basically create a new user in the website, and then the transaction will occur. So now we are going to show you how to create a new user, and after that we will show you how to use the app. So next we log in by going to this link, auth1s, and you need to give your Aadhar ID, which was this, and the PIN code. So by doing this, what you are basically doing is that we are sending a request to the authentication server to provide us with an OTP. So what will this help us is that we are using basically the Aadhar API to basically make sure that the user exists, and this is a valid user. Since the OTP only goes to the user who has registered the phone as his Aadhar, so this will be a very secure method. So as you can see, the Aadhar API had been queried, and now we are going to provide the OTP, which has come on my phone. So now I have got the code on my phone, and I will be entering this here. And so as you can see, we have gone to the add money in the refund money portal. Now next what you will do is that so since we created the user right now, we have to add some money to the user's account. So we add the Aadhar ID, this, and let's say I add 100 rupees to my account. So as you can see, this is the JSON that is coming back, and we have got some money has been added to my account as this is 100 here. And similarly, we can refund money to basically reduce some money from our account and give it to the vendor. We have not linked it with the official bank's APIs because we do not have access to them as yet, but we can do that also. So next we will be showing you the app and how it works. So now we are going to show how to use the app. We are now opening the app first of all. So as you can see, the app is asking for our Aadhar number. This is because we are opening the app for the first time, like we have just cleared the cache, and so it will ask you for the Aadhar number the first time you open the app. So we have entered the Aadhar number now, and now this is the vendor, and so this is the vendor's NFC tag, and now we just put the phone over the vendor's NFC tag and that's it. So the vendor's NFC tag is there, as you can see, and now we'll put the amount that we need to transfer. And then we put the PIN, then we click the pay money button, and so that